Hello everyone, and welcome to another Construction Online training video. I'm Alex, and in this video we will be covering the settings and options available in the Construction Online schedule. We'll break this up into several parts. We'll cover the column settings, the toolbar settings, the right-click menu, and the three-dot menu. To start, we'll go over some column options. To access the different options for your columns, navigate to the column headers and right-click. In the menu that opens, our first option is to show hide columns. In this menu, we can choose which columns are shown in the Gantt view and the list view. We can also choose to drag and rearrange our columns and choose to lock columns into place. Locking columns into place will lock them at the beginning of the column list. Our second option, when going to right-click on the column headers, is to sort the schedule by the selected column. Since we right-clicked on the description column, if we sort, we'll sort by the description column. We can also choose our sort value here and choose our sort direction. When you sort by a particular column, a warning will come up letting you know that you are sorted by that column. To unsort, click the X. Next, we'll go over the toolbar settings. To access the toolbar, go to the top right of the schedule and choose the toolbar icon. This will open the toolbar, which you can click and drag to move around the screen. There are several different subtabs within the toolbar. The first is the New, which is for creating new tasks, new groups, inserting milestones, linking to-dos, and other options. The next is the Task tab. Here, this gives you options to edit and manipulate the selected task. The next tab is the Tools tab. This gives you additional options for manipulating individual tasks, groups, or the schedule as a whole. Our next tab is the View tab. These first options, for showing all tasks or different week views, apply to the Gantt view. To switch to the Gantt view, go to the top of your page and select Gantt view. Here we can toggle through the different views, show or hide the critical path, and have options to open our schedule view options, show the baseline in the Gantt chart, or print the schedule. These options are also available in other locations. Next, we'll go over the right-click menu. Right-click menu is accessible by right-clicking on a task or group in the schedule. Our first option is to edit the task or group itself. Clicking Edit Task will open a new window. In here, we can change the task's name, the start and end date, description, and other fields. Several fields, like status, trade, and task type, have a gear icon at the top right. Clicking this icon allows you to modify or edit the options in the drop-down menu. Other options for editing tasks are available in the tabs at the top, including adding assigned resources or contacts to the task, setting reminders for the assigned resources, adding notes, adding attachments, and linking to to-dos. When you're done, you can click Save. You also have the option to delete the task or not save your changes. Going back to our right-click menu, we have other options. Similar to the toolbar, we can opt in a task, move the task, mark the task as complete or as ASAP, and like in our Edit Task window, we can assign resources or create a to-do from the task. We can also set the task color, copy it, paste it, create a new task, group, or milestone, or delete the task. Next, let's go to our three-dot menu options. The three-dot menu is located at the top right hand of the schedule. Our first option is to edit the schedule. This allows us to change the schedule name, apply cost codes, apply schedule editors or viewers. Some of our other options will be to shift a start date, insert a delay, or set the baseline. Further down the list, we can print the schedule, copy the schedule, save it as a template, or export it to Microsoft Project or other cloud sharing services. Below that are the schedule options. In the schedule view options, we can choose how the tasks are displayed on the Gantt chart. This includes the task names and dates, as I have shown already, as well as task resources, cost impacts, and baseline tasks. We can also toggle between a regular view and a condensed view. Next, we have user-specific options. Enabling automatic predecessors will automatically create a predecessor relationship for all new tasks. Grouped tasks inherit group trade means that any tasks in a group will automatically have the group trade applied. Auto shift mode sets the task end date to the current day when a task is complete. Finally, we have schedule specific options where we can send ready to start email notifications. This means that any resources assigned to a task will be notified when all required predecessors have been completed. We can also open our milestone timeline from this menu. This opens a right sidebar that shows all of our milestones for the project. The final options in our three-dot menu are to change the zoom level and to delete the schedule. That covers the settings and options in the Construction Online schedule. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos or our knowledge base to learn more about the Construction Online schedule.